In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Tag Manager account. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you understand the process clearly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you have your login details handy, and of course you should be logged into the correct Google account associated with the Tag Manager profile you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your containers and tags. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Admin tab. Give that a click. This is your control center for account configurations and is the starting point for our account deletion process. Once you're within the Admin section, the next step is to navigate to Account Settings. You'll find this option easily in the menu. Click on it and it will open up a new page where you can manage various account settings. This page holds all the administrative options you have for managing your account. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen for three little dots. This is the universal icon for additional options. Go ahead and click on these dots to open up a drop down menu. Within this menu you'll see an option that says Delete. Select this option. But before we proceed, it's important to note that this step is pivotal. Think carefully about whether you're certain you want to delete the account, as this action is irreversible. After clicking on Delete, you'll receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial. Once you confirm, all data associated with this account will be permanently removed. Carefully review your decision, and if you're sure, go ahead and confirm. An important reminder here, deleting a Google Tag Manager account doesn't just get rid of the account itself, it also deletes all containers within that account. So if there's any data or settings you want to keep, make sure to back them up or document them before proceeding with the deletion. This is especially important for businesses that rely on specific tracking setups or data collections, as it might be a loss if not backed up. And with that, you've successfully deleted your Google Tag Manager account. Be sure to log out of your Google account if you're on a shared or public device to protect your information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. For more tutorials and guides on managing your digital tools, be sure to check out our other videos.